Seriously, you do not want to scroll past this. Before I explain anything, go ahead and check the link in the description. Trust me, you'll understand why in a minute. So here's the deal. This product has been blowing up everywhere, and honestly, I wasn't sure why, until I tried it myself. The performance is incredibly smooth, the design feels premium, and the ease of use is on another level. You don't need to be an expert or spend hours figuring it out. You just start using it, and everything works the way it should. What surprised me the most is how much value you get compared to what you expect. It genuinely over-delivers. So do yourself a favor, hit that link, take a quick look, and you'll see exactly why everyone is talking about it. This one's a game changer. Seriously, if you've been searching for something that actually stands out in the tech world, this is the one you don't. Seriously, you do not want to scroll past this. Before I explain anything, go